Howdy everybody, Phil here from Peterson Farms in Asheville, and today I want to show you we shed some light on a subject we've been struggling with and been in the dark about. As you can see in our storage room, we have no light. Well, we do have lights, but no switch to switch them off and on. You have to go all the way across the room in the dark and plug the light in or turn the light on at the fixture. Until now, I found this cool little gadget. An infrared battery operated light switch, and it just connects to this little box that you plug into the outlet that you want to run your lights off of, and then you have lights. Or you can plug a lamp into it and switch a lamp off and on by the outlet. Alright, all you do is plug in the appliance into the receiver block and then plug the receiver block into the outlet that you want to operate off of the remote switch. Then on the remote switch, you'll see a tab here which is protecting the battery. You want to pull that out like so. Then we're going to mount a couple screws here. I'm going to go ahead and put it on here because this is where you'll reach around first to get into the room. Now you're going to hang the wall switch onto those two screws. Something simple, maybe something stupid, but I'm amused. So we solved the problem with the light switch, the remote light switch. And this particular one is made by Woods. I bought it at Menards, a local, well, regional hardware store. It comes with the switch, the batteries included, and the receiver that you plug your light fixture into. And then you're able to turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on. Gosh, this is fun. Turn off, turn on. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you today. Phil's tip of the day. Get out of the dark and get a remote light switch that plugs into electrical outlet and that can run your electrical needs or requirements for any light. We do these sort of things here on Peterson Farms in Asheville so that friends, family, and future generations can look way back when, in the now or in the future. And we can shed some light on the subject. Or no light. There's light. No light. There's light. Gosh, I could do this all night long. God bless you all till next time. Howdy everybody. I want to show you something that's really cool and sheds a light on a subject that we've been struggling with in our little storage area. And as you can see, there's no light. Well, there are lights, but we just don't have a light switch. Until now. Oh, you gotta hit it the right way. We do these sort of things around here on Peterson Farms so that friends, family, and future generations could look way back when, in the now or the future, to see where we do these sort of things here on Peterson Farms in Asheville to shed some light for those future generations so that they can watch back. We do these sort of things here on Peterson Farms in Asheville so that future friends. We do these sort of things here on Peterson, Asheville.